Luma AI Dream Machine has been making waves lately, but is it really a game changer in the world of AI generated content? Today, we're diving into how it stacks up against competitors like Runway and what users should really expect. Luma AI Dream Machine is designed to streamline the process of creating stunning visuals and videos using artificial intelligence. It allows users to generate high-quality imagery and even animations with just a few clicks. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned creators. You can easily customize your projects by selecting different styles or themes, which is a nice touch for those looking to add a personal flair. However, while the core functionality is impressive, there are areas where clarity seems to be lacking. For instance, the specifics of the AI algorithms used or the customization options available aren't extensively detailed. This makes it a bit challenging for users who want to understand how to maximize the platform's capabilities. Overall, the potential is there, but some users might find themselves wishing for more transparency and guidance. When it comes to strengths, Luma AI Dream Machine shines with its intuitive design and the quality of output it can produce. Users have noted how quickly they can create engaging content, which is a huge plus for busy creators. However, there are some frustrations as well. The lack of detailed documentation and examples can leave users feeling a bit lost, especially if they're trying to navigate advanced features. Additionally, while it's competitively priced, some users might find better value elsewhere, particularly if they need more robust editing tools that platforms like Runway offer. It's also worth noting that those seeking more in-depth customization might find Luma's options somewhat limited. Creators who want quick, impressive results will likely benefit most, while those needing extensive control might want to explore other tools. In conclusion, Luma AI Dream Machine is an appealing option for creators looking to produce quality content quickly. However, if you're someone who values in-depth customization and support, you might want to consider alternatives like Runway. Overall, it's worth a try, but keep your expectations realistic about its capabilities and support.